If you manage your own vacation home rental property, you already know how much time goes into maintenance between rentals. There's semi-annual maintenance, annual maintenance, and quarterly maintenance items that every home requires. Maintaining a piece of real estate is a never-ending job. One of the biggest benefits of working with a property manager is that they take care of all the work to keep the property in great shape. From cleaning to minor repairs to periodic maintenance like changing light bulbs, smoke detectors, batteries, AC filters, and more. We also take care of the unexpected maintenance concerns that come up. This includes things like appliance repairs, AC service calls, garage doors that won't close, plumbing clogs, electrical outlets that quit working, etc. Guests love well-maintained properties. And while we try to be proactive about fixing things when the property is vacant, sometimes things break while the guest is enjoying the property. It is so important to get it repaired quickly and efficiently. And sometimes there are repairs necessitated by guests misusing the property. Even though most of the items are paid for at the expense of the guest, someone needs to take charge to make things right, and that is what we as property managers do. At Naples Florida Vacation Homes, we proactively take care of all the maintenance details to ensure that we offer the best rental experience to our vacationing guests. That is part of our service to you. You, the owner, are our client. We make owning a vacation home rental property easy. We not only handle the marketing of your property, the on-site guest experience and communication, but we also maintain your property so it's always at its best. Don't stress. We handle literally everything. Now that is priceless. Call us today to learn more.